Western Australia is a state known for its incredible natural wonders. From unforgettable experiences on our coastline to rugged outback marvels. The best way to see many of these highlights is by caravanning or camping. Just because you're camping though, doesn't mean you have to be roughing it. STIHL has you sorted with a range of equipment to complement any camper. Their AS battery system currently includes 11 different tools and is growing. The tools are all powered by the one battery and is a great small package set of tools to take away on your next adventure. From keeping your site clean to pumping up tyres to chopping firewood, STIHL have all the accessories for your ultimate weekend in the great outdoors. This is STIHL's GTA 26 handheld garden pruner, which is perfect for chopping firewood or kindling, ready to get that campfire roaring. It's always important to keep the scene clean and STIHL have a variety of tools for that too. From the BTA 30 handheld blower to get rid of dirt and leaves outside of the tent, to the SCA 20 vacuum cleaner to keep things clean inside, STIHL have you covered. We love the great outdoors, but not so much when it's made its way into the bottom of your bed. The KOA 20 is a great tool to have in the kit as well, ready to pump up everything from airbeds, toys, and even tyres if you're keen on a bit of four-wheel driving. The PS1 battery powers all of these tools and also your mobile devices. So nice to have all of your charging gear in one neat little package. So whether you're heading up to our beautiful coral coastline, out into the WA heartland to Karajini, or to explore the rugged wilderness of our Great Southern, STIHL have you sorted with all the gear to make it a trip to remember for all the right reasons.